everyone, welcome to Awesome Crafts. Today I am going to teach you how to make a paper boat. To make a paper boat, you just need a paper and that's it. Okay, now let's get started and make the paper boat. First, fold the paper into half, like this. Fold it and now crease the paper so the paper can't unfold. Now fold the paper into another half, like this, and crease again so that the paper can't unfold. Now you will get 4 flaps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now take one flap and fold downwards like this. And crease it like this. And now turn the paper and take another 3 folds and fold backwards and crease the paper like this. Now you will find a gap in between. Now fold it downwards like this. Take the paper and fold down like this. Now catch the 2 flaps and open it. And catch it nicely and now crease it like this. Crease it and press it gently. That's it. Your paper boat is ready. Guys, if you found this video useful, then please like the video and share the video with your family and friends. And for more amazing videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for instant notifications whenever I upload my videos. Thanks for watching.